All right, it's Friday. The dessert divas in the house.
Danette Randall is here, and we are making up some gooey s'mores.
Without a campfire or whatever
Without
this.
a campfire. Well,
this is an attempted campfire.
I tried to make a campfire, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. Yes. So I feel like into summer. It's not into summer, but school's back, so you kind of feel like it's into summer, and you want a little fun treat, and you're not going camping, and not that you need to camp. Fire pit's fine, but maybe you don't have a fire pit.
Sure.
Right? And that's okay.
So we're making, I'm going to show you how to do it without the fire pit, all right? And it's very simple. I have a lot of things here, but it's very simple. So, first of all, the crust.
Okay.
Because the graham cracker, you want the graham cracker crust, because, again, we're making s'more. So you're going to take... it's about 1.5 cups of crumbs. It's 13 of these. If you buy the box and you just take out the package, it'll be 13 of these. You can buy the graham cracker crumbs already, ground and stuff, but come on, put it in a bag and just beat it. So anyway, all right. So
Don't
13 of those. So that's what that looks like. And then we're gonna do brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons. Just put that in there. And then I've got 8 tablespoons of melted butter.
That's what, 2 sticks? 1 stick?
1 stick.
Okay.
Just a stick. And then you're just gonna stir that up, and that's it. That's it. That's the easy part. And then when you're done with that, you're just going to now 9 by 9 inch pan, put foil in it. You could do it without foil, but the reason the foil, it's a non-stick pan, so it won't stick, but you want to be able to take it out so you can cut it, because these are hard to cut with the marshmallows.
Right.
So you need to be able to go like, like that. Did you get that?
Wait, do it again. Okay.
Yeah, like that. That's what you do. Anyway, so you're gonna pour that in there, and then you're gonna press that down really, really firmly.
Okay.
You want it to use your hand, or you could take a cup and press down, but you want it to be compact.
Real thin and packed.
Real compact. Okay. So after that, we're going to do the chocolate part. So I've got heavy cream on here. You don't want to bring this to a boil. You just want it to just start to simmer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of liquid smoke in.
Ooh, interesting.
Because we're trying to make a little bit of a smoke flavor.
So you're trying to trick me with that.
About a minute left.
Yeah,
it works.
Yeah, it worked? Oh gosh. Okay, so we're going to do I did a 1/2 teaspoon. I like that flavor. If you don't want the liquid smoke, or you can't find it, or you just don't have it, you can use vanilla.
Okay.
But the liquid smoke is just kind of a fun, little fun thing.
Okay.
So you're gonna stir that up, and then what we have here is a cup of 1/2 chips. I did semi-sweet and I did dark chocolate.
Wow.
Because these are very rich, I'm telling you. But because of with the marshmallows, they're sweet. So if you have some dark chocolate in there,
Kinda
it's
cuts
not
it a
going
little
to
bit.
be as sweet.
About 30 seconds
So that's all that you do. And then you're gonna pour this. It's basically a chocolate ganache. You can see the steam coming from there. You're gonna let that sit, and you're going to stir that up. And
that smells good.
It is going to turn into a glossy, beautiful thing. And then I have jumbo marshmallows. You rip them in half after you pour the chocolate ganache on top of the crust.
Right.
And then you let it cool. When you take it out, you just pop it under the broiler.
Got a little toast on the top.
and
That's how you
nice.
get the
Let's
brown.
taste it.
And then you're gonna have to let it set, because the chocolate will get a little warm, but after you bring it out of the broiler, and watch that like a baby in a bathtub,
Right.
because it'll
dip.
burn.
Danette
They're
Randall,
so
thank you
good.
so much to the
You like
Dessert
it?
Diva. We're
I
going to
love
try
it.
these.
They're
Lee
gooey.
will bring you back some. Meredith, you